The police report on husband Brady's involvement in his son Trigg's drowning death is something Emilie Kiser wants to redact. Emilie Kiser wants greater seclusion. According to a court document obtained by People on July 31, the TikToker requested that the original police report that suggested her husband Brady Kiser be charged with the death of their 3-year-old son Trigg Kiser be redacted after it was made public that he would not face charges. According to the outlet, Emilie's legal team expressed concern in the filing that if the report ever becomes public, its details could be used to produce disturbing content, such as artificial intelligence reenactments, about the death of her son, who drowned accidentally in the pool at their family's Arizona home. The section of the report Ms. Kiser seeks to redact contains information and context that is critical to provide the public a reasonably full understanding of the investigation of the drowning. The police department's decision to recommend criminal charges, Attorney Matthew Kelly stated in the document, as reported by the public, and the county attorney's decision not to pursue criminal charges. On May 6, Trigg unintentionally drowned in the family's in-ground pool as he was at home with his father Brady and his brother Theodore, who was 3 months old. The youngster passed away 6 days after being taken to the hospital by first responders who had arrived on the scene. According to police search warrants obtained by USA Today affiliate the Arizona Republic, Brady claimed that the drowning happened when he lost sight of Trigg for 3 to 5 minutes. The Chandler Police Department then submitted a report suggesting a Class 4 felony charge of child abuse against Brady after an investigation into his death. Subsequent investigation, however, led the Maricopa County Attorney's Office to conclude that the patriarch would not face charges due to no reasonable likelihood of conviction. In a statement posted on its website on July 25, the Maricopa County Attorney's Office said that surveillance footage taken outside the house demonstrated the drowning's real sequence of events and how it happened. In order to convict a person of this charge, the state has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt to a unanimous jury that the person failed to perceive a substantial and unjustifiable risk, and that failure to perceive the risk was a gross deviation from the standard of care a reasonable person would show. After careful review of the evidence submitted by Chandler PD, it was determined that this case does not meet that standard, the lawyer's office went on. Additionally, Emilie filed a lawsuit against many Maricopa County governmental agencies in May in an attempt to keep additional data about Trigg's demise hidden, even though neither she nor Brady have individually commented on the horrific tragedy. She lost her young son, her lawyer said in the lawsuit, which E! News at the time was able to receive. Emilie is making every effort to be present for her surviving baby, Theodore, who is 2 months old. However, each day is a struggle.